Hi everyone, this is the Pool Hygiene Doctor, and in today's video we'll focus on part 2 of opening your pool, focusing on spring assembling and priming your motor. After your cover has been correctly removed and stored, and all of the winterizing plugs taken out of your pool, it is now time to focus on the motor and filter system. Remember, we want to keep water out of your system in the winter and in your system in the spring. We start by screwing in both relief plugs on the bottom of your motor. These are easier to plug in, as you can see, because they're plastic and they have a nice lip to them. Older motors may have brass fittings, which make it a little harder to screw in. Either way, make sure they're only hand tightened, and you may want to use a little Teflon to make sure they're secure. Next, if you have any other auxiliary pumps, say for a pool sweep or a chlorinator, that will also require a relief plug to be placed inside. A heater will also require a relief plug to be screwed in, because in the winter we blew all the water out. Now we're securing the water and making sure it stays in. Lastly, go over to your filter and there will be a drain plug at the very bottom. The plug shown in the video is probably bigger than the one you have. That's what she said. Then go to the very top and make sure you plug in the pressure gauge as shown. Only hand tighten the pressure gauge because it's very easy to break. Don't worry if you think you forgot a plug, as when we turn it on, you will see water gushing out where the plug belongs. So after all the plugs have been applied, now it's time to take the lid of the motor off and pour some water in, therefore priming the pump. It's important to open all the valves on the pressure side of the system. That means they're leading away from the pump and back towards your pool. If you have a multi-port valve, be sure that it is on filter. If you have a push-pull valve as shown, make sure it is in the down position. Start by opening just one valve on the suction side. If your water is low, you can start by sucking from the main drain. Or if you have two skimmers, using the one nearest to the pump is probably your best bet. Either way, just open one valve, that way it's easier for the water to catch. Once the flow of water is steadily going into your motor, slowly and carefully open the other valves, one at a time. It may take a while to get all the air out of your system, so be patient. Once all the valves are open and the water is running freely, set your timer, put in your opening chemicals, and you're ready to start a new pool season. If you found this information helpful and would like to keep your pool healthy, then drown the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any further content. Thanks for listening to the Pool Hygiene Doctor, and I'll see you at the pool.